Hey guys, how's it going? Carlos back with another video, and it's going to be a simple one this week, keyboard bindings. As you know, Marple is a very drag and drop pan around interface. However, we do have a few keyboard bindings that I want to take you over. For and foremost, if you select the cursor in the time series plot, you can move around it using keyboard left and keyboard right. You can also use keyboard up and down to zoom in into your data. And if you press F here, you'll get the function library. Now, as you know, functions are global in Marple, so I can just press here and have this function available for all my calculations in the project. If I do I, I'll get managed datasets. From here, I can preload different datasets and very quickly hot swap between them to go into my analysis. If I press M for multiple, I will be able to overlay these two datasets that I have preloaded, and actually pressing D for distance mode will give me distance-based plotting or time-based plotting, however I toggle it. As you can see, we go back to single, or we can find more datasets in the manage datasets mode. Actually, my favorite one, quality of life-wise, is Control or Command B, which collapses the sidebar, giving you more space to give a proper presentation. Just to let you know, I got this from Marple Docs Keyword Shortcuts, and I hope you take a look at this very extensive document. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you so much.